I say this vacation has snuck up on me, we are going to get our lashes done. So yeah, come with me. It's also like 6 o'clock. This is, when I say last minute, very, very last minute. This originally was going to be a 9 o'clock appointment, but then I woke up this morning, it became a 7 o'clock appointment. And then as I was driving home from work early, it became a 5:30 appointment. But like I said, it's 6 o'clock. So yeah, it's pretty much whenever I get there. Her last client canceled, so yeah, here I go rambling. Let's just go get these lashes done, and yeah, let's just ignore the hair. I am home. I've been home for probably about an hour now. I'm watching YouTube. I've been home for about an hour. I need to wash my hair so I can get my hair done tomorrow. But I'm still in bed. I'm so tired. Luckily it does not take me long to wash my hair because it's so short, which I love. I mean, it could definitely be shorter. But anywhoozle, yeah, I need to go wash my hair. Good morning, guys. It is prep day. So scratch everything that I was talking about yesterday. Got nothing done, but that's okay because we're heading right now to get my hair done. Yes, I blow dried my hair last night. I also used this sponsor. I had this sponsorship with this brand, and they gave me that baton oil that I showed you last night. It smelled so good. Like, I don't know the benefits of it, like if it actually works yet, but yeah, it smelled amazing. It smelled like coffee mocha, and I love anything that smells like coffee and mocha. So yeah, we are headed to get my hair done, and I will show you guys what I get. When I get my hair done, it's not going to be fully done, but you'll understand. I'll show you. But yeah, let's go. Today is prep day. We're getting everything done. We have T-minus 3 days left. So we're trying to get everything done today, and then Monday it's just gonna be left for the lashes. And yeah, I'm excited. It actually feels like I'm going on vacation. But yeah, see you later.
I think that we just holding on to something.
Hey guys, so I actually finished with my hair a while ago. I just got my nails done, my toes done, I got gel, and I did not do the French. I did I think it's called, it's OPI's, what is it called? I actually showed her a video on TikTok and she knew exactly what color it was. I didn't think to just say, oh, it's this color. I don't know. It's OPI's Funny Bunny. So yeah, I got that. This is what my hair is looking like. My inspo picture, the girl's head is bigger, so her braids are more spread out. But because I have a smaller head, my braids are just closer together, so it kind of looks like there's a lot going on. But just be mindful of what the person's head shape is like, and if it's bigger or smaller than yours. So yeah, this is like the design that I got. I thought she was gonna do my edges, but I'm actually glad she didn't, because the gel they be using, as you can see, I feel like it's a little white in some areas. But yeah, these are what the braids look like. I really like them. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done now. I didn't even get to eat my food. I have to make a return, then I have to go to my dad's house and pick up my packages because I put the wrong delivery, and get my press-on. Then I have to go home, and then yeah. But anywho, let's go get my eyebrows done. I'm honestly thinking, should I just do them myself? I don't know. Let's just go get them done. They're like $5, so yeah, let's go. it is currently 3:39. Hello? What's going on? It is currently 3:39. You can kind of see it. And I'm actually at work on my break. But listen, things gotta be done. I never got to do my nails last night because I just did not have time. Like, and it snowed. There were so many things that I needed to do last night, but that's what today is for. So I really only have like a 30-minute lunch today. It's usually an hour, but yeah, so it's gonna be 30 minutes. I'm gonna do my nails. I have these press-ons. It really should not take me long. Like, it should literally take me 30 minutes. Then I have to hop on a meeting, and then I have to leave work because I came in early today because someone is out. I'm in the little like wellness room. I don't even think I'm going to eat this. That's why I grabbed something really light. Oh, let me show you what it looks like in here. Then I gotta be quick. They actually put up artwork to last night. No, Saturday. So this is what it looks like. This is where I usually have my breaks at. The little vases. Oh, and I have my little. These things are so good. So much sugar in them, so I don't drink them too much. But yeah, so good. But anyway, I'm in this little chair. So yeah, we're just gonna do my nails, and yeah. Oh, and I'm also reading or listening to this audiobook. Hey guys, we are officially here in St. Lucia. So with that being said, this is the end of the vacation prep. Bing pong. This is the end of the vacation prep, and stay tuned for the actual travel vlog. Bye. Oh, and this is how the hair came out. I'll show you what it looks like. Here. I hope I can do that again. But this is what it looks like down. I really love this style. It's so easy and so cheap, honestly. But yeah, and I can reuse this hair. Anywho, so that is the end of my vacation prep. I hope you guys liked it. I hope I gave you some inspo. These are the final nails. And yeah, bye.